This bear market rally could finally be over. And I get it. I was early. 3 weeks ago, I was saying that I think it could be over. And for 3 weeks, I've shown you the rubber band to say that the underlying emotional mood swings had gotten overly extended to the side of happiness. And what always happens? It snaps back. Well, I think finally, after 3 weeks of this, I finally think we are getting the snap back. This could be a wonderful time to be short. For all of those of you that are so long and invested, be very careful. This is not investment advice. If you need advice, call your mother. The last part of this that we finally have, at least over the last 4 or 5 days here, we finally have weakness in the McClellan Submission Index, another way to look at breadth. In the last 3 weeks, when I was calling for the down market to start, the McClellan Submission Index was still increasing. Finally, kind of the last holdout of information that I wanted to see roll over and die is finally happening. So I'm beginning the day 12 to 13% short, the rest of my money safely sitting there in cash. I've said this before, but if the pullback does continue, it'll be interesting to see how much or not of a pullback we get. I think it could be telling. If we can get a pretty hefty pullback, a decent pullback here, come back to anywhere near the 2022 lows, I think that tells me that the bear market can continue. If we get a weak pullback, could be a sign that, hey, maybe the bull market is really starting. So I'm just going to have to wait and see. Unlike most other people that are trying to catch a falling knife and going to get chopped up like Edward Scissorhands, I'm going to make it prove itself to me. That's the safe thing to do. As an asset manager, as a money manager, managing millions of dollars of other people's money, that's what the smart people do.